Hi there, students. A dyad. Dyad, a noun. Dyadic, an adjective. Okay, a dyad is two things of the same kind together. A duo, a couplet. Yeah, a pair, a brace, a couple. Okay, so a dyad, something that consists of two parts. Um, so, day and night, the dyad of day and night. Day and night is a dyadic system. Maybe you've heard the word a triad. Well, yes, triad's talking about secret Chinese organizations, but a triad is three things together that form a group. So, a triad of visual arts, architecture, painting, and sculpture. But a dyad is two things together consisting of two parts. So in social science, a dyad is a group of two people, the smallest possible social group. So maybe the traditional dyad of a heterosexual marriage consists of two partners. So the traditional relationship consists of a dyad, but it doesn't have to be a dyad. You could have a ménage à trois or other things as well. Or maybe the dyad between the mother and the child. There is this bond, there is this this pairing between them. Yeah, so and a dyad is talking about a duo, a pair of things, two elements treated as a pair. They're coupled together. Yeah, so a dyadic relationship, one to one. Yeah. Okay, so dyadic, two things that go together. Yeah. They are always together. But notice a dyad as opposed to a triad or a tetrad, four, a pentad, five, a hexad, six, etc. Okay, so dyad. A dyad is a group of two, a couple. Yeah. Maybe somebody can explain to me mathematically what a dyad is. I think it's something that produces two. Yeah. Okay, but a dyad, two things that go together and they're regarded as one, as a pair. Yin and yang are a dyad. Good and evil are a dyad. These are two things that go together. I think maybe in biology the double helix of DNA is a dyad. Yeah, there are the two strands, and this dyad creates life. Dyadic, consisting of two, having two things within it. Yeah, so two people in an ongoing relationship or an ongoing interaction. It doesn't have to be a romantic relationship. Yeah, maybe a company is run by a dyad, two directors, or I think very often comedians. You have dyads with of comedians, Morecambe and Wise, Hale and Pace. Okay, very often these are dyads. Laurel and Hardy, that was a dyad. They work together. And effectively they're treated as one unit together. In life there are many things that are dyadic. Okay, formality. This is a formal word. I think I'm going to give this a 7 in formality. I think using a semi-formal writing or a formal writing. I don't even think I would use it in a semi-formal conversation. Yeah, a dyadic. I think you might find problems you might find Some native speakers have problems with this word as well. And then as to origin, it comes from ancient Greek duas, duad, duo, two, yeah, two, from Proto-Indo-European dwo, meaning two as well. So a dyad, dyadic. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Dyad, dyadic.